Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to visit a very famous and fascinating place, the Land of Legends in Antalya. The Land of Legend is Disneyland of Turkey. It is around 40 km from the city of Antalya and can be reached by taxi or bus. Land of Legends is located in Kadriye town of Belek, a district of Serik, Antalya. We are almost reaching there. As you can see ahead, the Land of Legends Park. Right side of the road is the park. Alright, we reached the park and now we are going inside. I'd like to share some information regarding entrance. So the park is open all day from 10 AM to 10 PM. The thing is that there is no entrance ticket for going inside and enjoying most of the activities free of cost. Land of Legends Park opens the door to its guests to a magical world full of privileges. It's a place where you will spend hours full of excitement, speed, fun and lot of enjoyment. It's a huge entertainment complex with 3 categories of activities: theme park, shows and events, shopping and restaurants. For the theme park, we have to buy the ticket, which offers several activities like amusement park, water park and dolphin show. Basically, Land of Legends is famous for three reasons. Its amazing theme park, which in this video we are not going to cover. Second is its shopping avenues, as we can see the both sides of the canal full of all sorts of branded shops, bars, cafes and restaurants. The third famous thing about Land of Legends is many shows and events. Most of them generally starts in evening till late night. If you do not want to visit theme park, then it is better to come around 12 to 2 p.m. You can have lunch, do some shoppings and explore the whole park. In the evening starts the events and shows, lights and music. In the park, there are hotels for overnight stay accommodation, so people and families come and spend their holidays here. Thanks for watching, and this video is part 1 about Land of Legends, that is daytime tour. And in my next video, the second part, where you will see the evening and night view of Land of Legends, which is full of light and music.